Paul, welcome, and thank you for sharing your experiences with the customers attending this summit. Can you tell us a bit about yourself and Interactive Corporation?
Thanks, Gary, for the invite. IAC builds companies. We're guided by curiosity, a questioning of the status quo, and a desire to invent or acquire new products and brands, large and small. From the single seed that started as IAC over 2 decades ago, have emerged 10 public companies, a generation of exceptional leaders. We will always evolve, but our basic principle of financially disciplined opportunism will never change. IAC today operates Vimeo, Dotdash, Care.com, among many others, and has also majority ownership of Angie Home Services, which includes Home Advisor, Angie's List, and Handy. The company's headquartered in New York City and has business operations and satellite offices worldwide.
Thank you for that, Paul, and thank you for the video as well. Mergers and acquisitions are a big part of your business, obviously. How has moving to the cloud helped you with that?
Yes, mergers, acquisitions, as well as divestitures. There always needs to be an exit strategy, which includes financial application infrastructure. Moving to OCI allows us to split front office versus back office activities. My team needs to be focused on front office core competency activities, such as acquisition and divestiture activities, as well as assisting organic growth across all of our businesses globally. OCI handles all our back office activities, such as product, maintenance, hosting, and disaster recovery, freeing up an immense amount of time of my team's time.
Okay, that sounds great again. Before you move, what were some of your concerns when considering moving your eBiz and Hyperion applications to the Oracle Cloud?
Transition of control was the primary concern for the application system administrators. Post-migration, the administrators shifted some of their activities from a support to managed activities, which was exactly the intended outcome of the outsourced cloud model. Financially, the cost also shifted from a CapEx to an OpEx categorization, which was also preferred.
Once in the cloud, what improvements did you see? Business processing, month-end closing, etc.
As mentioned, moving to the cloud freed up a substantial amount of time for my team to focus on organic business growth, utilizing product application functionality. A material example of this was to address the ASC 606 revenue recognition rules, where we implemented deferred revenue modeling within the AR subledger model, eliminating the need for third-party products. The functionality was also duplicated in a Six Sigma fashion across several revenue product streams and businesses. This was a very efficient and cost-effective method. Additionally, we received feedback from our various accounting teams that the subledger close process has been reduced to minutes rather than hours. The value of an hour during a close process is far more valuable than outside of a close process.
Okay, that's good. That's good to hear. Are you using other Oracle products in the cloud? And what do you see your next steps for your cloud strategy, Paul?
Yes, we're launching OAC in a matter of weeks. This will replace Bix. Our Angie's domestic operations is currently utilizing NetSuite. Looking forward, we'll continue to expand our global footprint, most likely via acquisitions, and divest others, creating independent big box brand names and customers to Oracle and others.
Paul, thank you for sharing. Just amazing innovation engine you have there at Interactive Corporation, and we wish you every success with your M&A activities. Thank you.
Thank you.